Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. In the realm of electric vehicles, Mercedes-Benz has boldly stepped forward with the EQS, marking a significant milestone in the automotive industry. The EQS combines cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and unparalleled luxury to redefine the standards of electric mobility. Effortless elegance. From the moment you lay eyes on the Mercedes-Benz EQS, its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette commands attention. The design language seamlessly blends futuristic aesthetics with the timeless elegance synonymous with the Mercedes-Benz brand. Every curve and line is meticulously crafted to optimize both form and function, resulting in a vehicle that exudes effortless sophistication. Sustainable innovation. Beneath its striking exterior, the EQS is powered by advanced electric propulsion technology that delivers a seamless and exhilarating driving experience. With the range of battery options available, drivers can choose the configuration that best suits their lifestyle, whether it's maximizing range for long journeys or optimizing performance for spirited driving. Luxurious interior. Step inside the EQS, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring premium materials, exquisite finishes, and state-of-the-art amenities. From the ambient lighting that bathes the cabin in a warm glow to the intuitive infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with your digital life, every aspect of the interior is designed to elevate the driving experience to new heights. Tech-forward features. At the heart of the EQS is the MBUX Hyperscreen, a revolutionary display that spans the entire width of the dashboard, seamlessly integrating three individual screens into one sleek unit. This intuitive interface provides access to a wealth of features and functions, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, all with the simple swipe of a finger or the sound of your voice. Safety and connectivity. Mercedes-Benz has always been synonymous with safety, and the EQS is no exception. Packed with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including autonomous driving capabilities, the EQS offers peace of mind on every journey. Additionally, seamless connectivity features keep drivers connected to their digital lives, whether it's accessing apps, streaming music, or staying in touch with friends and family. Conclusion. With the EQS, Mercedes-Benz has set a new standard for electric luxury vehicles. Its combination of breathtaking design, sustainable innovation, and unparalleled luxury makes it a game-changer in the world of electric mobility. As we look to the future, the EQS stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future of transportation.